Why do frogs love rain? A gentle rain falls over the forest. Felix the Fox walks along a muddy path, shaking off raindrops. Phew! It's really raining today. I better find some shelter. But wait, what's that sound? A chorus of frogs croaks loudly in the distance. Ha! The frogs sound so happy. Why do they love the rain so much? He spots Freddy the Frog sitting on a lily pad, looking cheerful. Freddy, you seem so happy in this rainy weather. Why do frogs love the rain? Oh, Felix, rain is the best. It makes everything wet and wonderful. We frogs need water to stay happy and healthy. But don't you get wet all the time anyway? Yes, but the rain helps keep our skin nice and moist. Unlike you, we don't drink water, we absorb it through our skin. So rainy days are perfect for us. Wow! That's amazing! But why are all the frogs croaking so loudly? Oh, that's because the rain means it's time to find a mate. When it rains, we all start singing to call for friends. The wetter, the better. A few more frogs join in, croaking happily. You're throwing a rainy day concert. Exactly. And the rain also makes puddles and ponds, which are perfect for laying our eggs. Baby frogs, called tadpoles, need water to grow before they become big frogs like me. So rain isn't just fun, it helps frogs have families too. That's right. And rain helps keep our homes, like ponds and swamps, full of fresh water. Wow! I had no idea rain was so important to frogs. No wonder you love it. Yep. Rainy days are the best days for us. Frogs love the rain because it keeps their skin moist, helps them find friends, and makes perfect places for baby frogs to grow. Nature is amazing. Thanks for teaching me, Freddy. I think I'll still stay under a tree, but I'm happy you're enjoying the rain.